you have in your hand? A dead mouse?
No, I don't have any mouse in my hand.
Give it to me.
No! No, George! It's my mouse, George! George, it's my mouse! George, I hate you! What's wrong with you, George? It's my mouse, George! George, my mouse! George, what's for dinner?
We have beans, but nothing better.
Do we have ketchup with the dinner?
No, go to sleep, Lenny.
No, George, I want ketchup with the dinner.
Go to sleep, Lenny.
No, George, I won't go to sleep, George.
Go to sleep.
George, it's not working. Do I need to bang harder? Would you like to come to dinner?
Yes, that'd be great.
George, what did he say?
We're going to dinner with our boss.
Oh, really? Nice.
I have to go to the toilet. Start without me.
How do you like our farm?
We like it very much.
Do you have any pigs?
Yeah, we have one.
Can I have one?
No, Lenny.
But you said yesterday.
No, not now.
Yeah, you can have one.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you. Hi, Piggy. Piggy. Hi. Yeah, Piggy. Oh, you mind, Piggy? Yeah, Piggy. Hi, Piggy.
Hey, what do you have there?
Nothing. Nothing.
It's okay, you can show me.
No. I didn't mean to hurt him. It's my piggy. My piggy.
It's okay, I know you didn't mean to do this.
Soft hair you have there.
Thank you. Stop it! You're hurting me!
No! No, no! What have I done? Lenny! George was accident!
It's okay. It's over.
George, why? George.